Welcome and thank you for joining me on this short Yoga Nidra or NSDR designed for re-energizing the mind and body. My name is Leanne and I'm from the Modern Wellness Expert. We love Yoga Nidras here or yogic sleep for its ability to calm and revitalize. Firstly, find somewhere quiet you can make yourself cozy with a blanket or pillow, and perhaps use headphones and an eye mask to enhance your experience. So let's start by lying down comfortably on your back, arms at your sides with your palms facing up. Let your legs fall naturally apart and gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Slowly let it out. And as you do, let all the tension melt away from your body. Now take a moment to set an intention or a sankalpa for this practice. Perhaps something simple like, I feel energized and refreshed, or my mind and body are renewed. Silently repeat your intention a few times, planting the seed of energy within you. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Feel the natural rise and fall of your chest and abdomen as you breathe. And let each inhale feel like a wave of energy flowing in, and each exhale as a gentle release of anything weighing you down. Notice how each breath brings fresh energy in to every cell in your body. And really notice each inhale as a re-energizing, replenishing breath in, and each exhale is taking out anything you no longer need. And now we'll scan through the body, releasing any tension, so energy can flow freely. And as I mention each part, bring your awareness there, allowing it to soften and relax, but also feeling a gentle sense of refreshment. So bring your attention to your feet and ankles. Really focus on your feet and ankles and your toes, and allowing them to relax deeply, yet feeling a subtle, pleasant tingling of energy. And allow that to spread from your ankles down through your feet and into every one of your 10 toes. Next, move your awareness up your calves and your shins and let them soften, feeling warm, relaxed, and slightly re-energized. Next, bring your awareness to your knees and your thighs and release any tightness and tension, letting them feel heavy and weighty, and yet also alive with gentle, refreshing energy. Now move your focus up to your hips and lower back, and imagine a warm wave of energy here, melting away any tension in those muscles and bringing a sense of grounded energy. Now move your focus up to your abdomen and chest, feeling every breath filling these areas with a light, invigorating energy. Now bring your attention to your shoulders and your arms and let go of any weight in your shoulders. Imagine your shoulders and arms relaxing fully, yet alive with a fresh, buzzing energy, almost a tingling sensation. Now move your attention to your hands and your fingers. Let them feel warm and tingly, filled with a gentle, revitalizing energy. Really feel this energy into both your thumbs, your forefingers, your middle finger, your ring finger, and your little fingers. All fingers simultaneously. Finally, let's move on to your neck, your jaw, and your face, softening all the muscles here, really letting go of any remaining tension, really focusing in on all the tiny muscles around your eyes and just letting them go, and the muscles in your cheeks, in your forehead, allowing it all to smooth and relax. Bring your awareness to your lips, your tongue, the root of your tongue, and inside both cheeks. And bring your awareness to your right ear and to your left ear. And then bring your energy and your awareness up to the crown of your head and your scalp, and really let go of any last remaining tension. And finally, bring your awareness to your whole body, releasing any tension and feeling a gentle, tingling sensation across your whole body. Now imagine a soft, warm light above you, a beautiful, energizing light that fills you with calm, strength and vitality. Visualize this light slowly entering through the crown of your head, traveling down through your body, filling every part of you with a golden glow. Imagine that light spreading down through your chest, your arms, and down to your fingertips, even streaming out of your fingertips. And then imagine that light spreading into your belly, your hips, your legs, all the way down to your toes, and that light even spilling out and emanating from your toes. This light is filling you with a sense of gentle energy, refreshing and revitalizing every cell in your body. Now focus again on your breath and imagine that with each inhale you're breathing in this energizing light, filling your entire being with its vitality. And with each exhale, let go of any heaviness or fatigue. Each inhale fills you up, and each exhale lets go of any leftover tiredness. So let's take a few breaths like this, letting each one fill you up with new life. So really do that for your next 5 breaths. Now we'll count down from 5 to 1. With each number, imagine yourself becoming more refreshed and full of energy. So breathing in, breathing out. 5. Feel a lightness filling your body. Breathing in and breathing out. 4. Letting go of any tiredness, feeling clear and awake. Breathing in, breathing out. 3. Feeling more awake and more alive. Breathing in and breathing out. 2. A fresh, vibrant energy flows through you. Breathing in and breathing out. 1. You feel calm, refreshed, and fully energized. Now, bring back the intention you set at the beginning of this Yoga Nidra, repeating it once more in your mind. Feel the energy of this intention fill you up and feeling it as true within you. I feel energized and refreshed. And trust that this new energy will stay with you. Going to leave you now for a few moments to really feel yourself in this space and enjoy this moment. Gently begin to bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a few deep breaths in and really let them out. And imagine this energy settling in you like a warm glow within you that you can carry throughout your day. And when you're ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed, relaxed, awake, and fully alive. Really thank yourself for taking this time to re-energize and renew today, and carry this lightness and vitality with you as you continue into your day. If you've enjoyed this re-energizing Yoga Nidra, please subscribe to our channel the Modern Wellness Expert, for new weekly recordings, meditations, NSDRs, guides and more to help you rebalance and optimize your life and well-being. And please like and share and comment on the video so others may also find it useful and get something from it. Thank you. Enjoy your day.